So Infinix is releasing so many smartphones in the market. So today I got this Infinix Hot 7 Pro. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is the unboxing and first impression overview of this Infinix Hot 7 Pro. Let's begin. So this is the box guys. Let me first cut this plastic wrapping so that we can get rid of the necessary reflection that we have over here. Then I'll show you the box. Okay, so this bright orange box we have for the Infinix Hot 7 Pro. So as you see, we have Infinix Hot 7 Pro branding over here. AI quad camera, that means it has 4 cameras, Hot 7 Pro. And on the back we have some of the information mentioned over here, like quad cameras, 6.19 inches of HD plus notch display, 2-day battery life, that means 4000 mAh battery as it says, and it has a MediaTek P20T processor. It's a octa-core chip, face recognition as well as fingerprint unlock, XOS 5.0. and according to this the MRP mentioned over here is 10,999. So let's open it and let's cut the seal and open the box and let's see what we find inside the box. So here we have the phone itself. Okay, so this is the phone. Well, looks pretty fantastic by the way in this matte black color. So this is the phone guys. We have dual front facing camera and a flash over here. That's nice. Let's boot it up. Till it's booting up, let me show you some of the other stuff that we find in the box. So other than that, we have this power brick. Let me check it. So as you see over here, this power brick has, I guess, 5 volt 2 ampere of rating, and we have this micro USB cable. Sadly, micro USB cable, I would love to have type C, but this is a budget range smartphone. So yeah, we have the SIM tray, I mean a SIM removal tool, some documentation over here, then it's a screen protector, that's nice, and we have this plastic case. So yeah, let's put all of these things aside and let's see the phone itself. So this is the phone guys. Let me quickly boot it up. Okay, the face is successfully enrolled. The fingerprint is also added. So let's see, let's check out some of the stuff. So go to system. Okay, that's nice. So as you see over here guys, we have 6 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage, 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel rear camera, plus 13 plus 2 megapixel front facing camera, and the display is 6.2 inches of 1080p, I mean 720p display, Android P, 4000 mAh battery, and 2 GHz octa-core processor. It is running on Android Pie, that's nice. And the display seems pretty fantastic, I mean rounded corners and all. Wow, amazing. And as you see, storage 54 GB is available. Not bad, huh? Not bad. So let's check the cameras. So let's take a picture of this. What? Shutter speed is not that good. So as you see guys, wow, the details are quite nice. I mean, as of the first impression, the details are quite good. Not bad, huh? Let's take some selfies and let's see how's the quality. By the way, lighting situation is pretty fantastic over here. So it's okay, it seems good. Let's take a portrait selfie because it has another camera for portrait mode. So let's see. It seems okay. I will test the cameras properly and give you the full camera review, so stay tuned for that. And let me quickly give you a physical tour of this device. So on the back, as you see, we have 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel rear cameras, flash over here, fingerprint scanner, Infinix logo, Hot logo over here. By the way, looks pretty fantastic. It seems like a metal over here. I am not sure about the material. So on the bottom, as you see over here, by the way, this matte black looks pretty sick in my opinion. And as you see, It has a headphone jack, thank you so much, and primary microphone hole, micro USB cable, that's okay. Then a speaker grill. On this side we have textured power button, that's very nice. After that we have this very clicky volume rocker. Wow. On the top it's very clean, nothing's there. On this side we have this SIM tray. Let me remove it and let's see what is the combination that they offer. Okay, not bad. So even though it has 64 GB of built-in storage, we have this dual SIM as well as a micro SD card support, so that's very nice. So let's put it inside again. And on the front, as you see over here, we have dual cameras. The main camera is 13 megapixel and secondary camera is 2 megapixel for depth sensing. And we have this light over here, that's a flashlight. So as you see, we have this flashlight over here. After that we have 6.19 inches of 720p display. It's a HD plus display. It seems pretty okay in my opinion as of the first impression. I will tell more about this display in the full review, so yeah, please wait for that. And now guys, let's test the fingerprint scanner. Not bad actually, huh? Wow. So as of the first impression guys, I am super impressed with this phone. Let's see what is the pricing. As of now I don't know the pricing, but I'm guessing that by the specs and by all the features that I found, I'm guessing it would price around 8,000 to 9,000 to 10,000 rupees. And in that price range, I feel that it's a very nice smartphone. But we have so many other smartphones even in the Infinix itself, like this one. This is the Infinix S4. So let's see how it fares. The main USP of this smartphone is 6 GB of RAM in this price range. I guess it's the cheapest 6 GB of RAM smartphone in this price range. So yeah, I will test the phone completely and give you my full review, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, that's all in this video guys. I hope you do found this video helpful. If you did, then hit that like button, share this video with your friends. And guys, if you found this video and my content helpful, really helpful, then please subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification icon so you will be notified when I post new videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.